Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open ginseng bottles. First, take a moment to identify the type of bottle you have. Many ginseng bottles come with a standard plastic cap, but some traditional varieties might feature a wax seal. Having the right tools, like a bottle opener or a small knife, will make the process much smoother and safer for you. For bottles with a plastic cap, the process is usually straightforward. Simply twist the cap counterclockwise until it loosens and comes off. If there's a tamper-evident ring, it should snap as you open it. Should you encounter a particularly stubborn cap, a rubber grip, or even a kitchen towel can provide the extra leverage you need to get it open without straining your hand. Opening a wax-sealed ginseng bottle requires a bit more care. Begin by gently scraping away the wax seal with a small, dull knife, being careful not to damage the bottle or yourself. Once the wax is sufficiently removed, you'll reveal the cork or stopper underneath. Then, use a standard corkscrew or an appropriate bottle opener to carefully extract the cork, ensuring a clean opening. Remember to always prioritize safety when opening any bottle, especially when using tools like knives or corkscrews. Once your ginseng bottle is open, it's best to store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to help preserve its potency and freshness for longer. Also, for those interested in improving their financial well-being, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other valuable resources and deals we've gathered for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.